Remove all the outer skin and clean it neatly. Remove the bad stuff inside. Clean thoroughly by adding salt to the water. Clean it and put it in a bowl. Mix half a lemon with 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric and set aside. Mix half a lemon with 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric and set aside. Mix well. Set this aside for 10 minutes. Put a pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Put a bay leaf in it. Add 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Add 2 cardamom pods. Add 4 cloves. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 finely chopped onions. Add 4 green chilies arranged horizontally. Add few curry leaves. Mix well. Reduce the flame to medium-low and mix carefully. Mix well. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Add the marinated prawns. Mix them well and cook for 2 minutes covered. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and mix well. Add 2 thinly sliced tomatoes. Add a pinch of turmeric. Add some rock salt. Add 2 spoons of chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove the lid and mix well. Add finely chopped coriander leaves to it. Add a spoon of coriander powder. Mix the two well. Take all the gravy in a serving bowl. Enjoy prawns tomato gravy. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.